Hello and thank you so much for tuning in at Janeil Hair Collection. Today I'm going to use this type of fluffy kinky hair. This hair is very affordable and you can find it at any beauty shop. So I'm going to take one strand, and then what I normally do, I have to unravel the hair. From the look, the hair looks like it's kind of hard to unravel, but it's very easy. So I'm going to take my time and unravel the hair until it's hairy. Doing that is very important because it will help your artificial locks to look more natural. So again, thank you so much for tuning in at Janeil Hair Collection. Here we do more of hair, we do more of artificial locks, and today we are going to learn step by step on how to make this type of artificial locks. And I use one packet is enough. That helped me to come up with 70 pieces. So from what you're seeing, I'm just still taking my time to unravel the hair, and then after this I'll have now to take the brush and go ahead and brush the hair until it's hairy and bouncy. So stay tuned so that you won't miss that part. So from what you're seeing, I'm done unraveling the hair, and this is how it looks. You can see it's not fine, so it's not good to start doing the artificial locks if the hair is not very fine after brushing it. But if you take your time unraveling the hair into small sections, there is no need for brushing. The hair will be just fine and ready to begin doing your artificial locks. So I'm going to from what you're seeing, I'm just brushing the hair to make it fine and bouncy so that it will be more natural. So I'll have to take a small section like that, and I'm going to use this type of pin crochet. It's very cheap and you can find it at any woolen shop. Go and buy one for you if you want to do the artificial locks. And then I'll have to fold the tip part like that. So there we go, and then I'll have to press it down so that I'll have to start now tucking in, and there we go. And when you're doing this type of artificial locks, it has 3 steps, and the first step is just randomly tucking in the hair so that the lock will form. But if it doesn't form nicely, you'll have to repeat it. And then the second step now is just to tightening as you make it neat, tucking all the excess hair above the lock. And then the last step now is palm rolling, and palm rolling is very important because it hides all your tucking and make your artificial locks look more natural. So from what you're seeing, this is my first step. I'm trying to make my end look more natural. Take your time, and then now I'll have to go ahead and finish my first step. Doing this type of artificial locks, it does take a lot of time. That's why this hair, it's expensive, and there is more ways of installing. There is more ways of installing this type of hair, and the good thing about it is the hair doesn't expire at all. The more you use it, it will tear out and it will be more natural. So I'm going to finish with my first step. And if you're coming across Janeil Hair Collection, for the first time, and you do love the type of content that I do share here on YouTube, I'd love for you to go ahead and click the subscribing button. It does count a lot because it keeps me motivated, and at the same time it keeps me going. So go ahead and click the subscribing button, and for you to see more video like this, turn on the notification bell on so that you'll be notified anytime, any day that I do upload a video. yeah, I'm still here with you, and from what you're seeing, I'm done with my first step, and I'm going to repeat this again. So this is how it looks like, and I'm going to repeat my first step, and then when I'm done with my first step, I'll have now to go onto my second step, and then from there again I'll have to go now on my third step. And don't forget, like I said earlier, doing this type of artificial locks, it has a 3 step. The first step is just randomly tucking in the hair to form the lock, and then the second step is now to tighten all the excess hair as you make it more neater, and then the last step now is palm rolling. So don't skip anything so that you won't miss all those steps, and I hope you're going to try this. This is not very hard, it's very easy, and during your free time, if you love doing this type of artificial locks, you just think of, let me go and do some artificial locks. So that's why I'm saying doing this type of hair, it's very fun to me. I love doing these on my free time. So I hope whatever that I'm trying to let you guys learn with me today, it's going to be helpful to you. And if yes, don't forget to share this with a friend, give this video a thumbs up, and at the same time, don't forget to leave your comment. Yeah, thank you so much for taking your time and not skip anything so that you will get everything right. So you can see my second step is done, and I'm going just to use a little bit of oil just to protect my palm. And for now, I'm just going to palm roll the hair. Palm rolling is very important because it will hide all your tucking, and your artificial locks will be more natural and ready for installation. And yes, I do sell this type of artificial locks. If you want to make an order, just go on my Instagram page, DM me, and then I'll let you know more about this type of artificial locks that I do make. And before I forget, on each strand of the kinky braid, it was giving me 4 pieces of artificial locks, and you can see this is very neat and ready for installation. So this was all about today's content. I hope you've learned something, and I use 1 packet of fluffy kinky that helped me to get 70 pieces of artificial locks, this size and the length. So thank you so much for watching this. Until next time.